PocketGuard is a personal finance app that helps you manage your spending, save money, and keep track of your finances easily. Here's how to use the PocketGuard app effectively. Download and set up. Start by downloading the PocketGuard app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app, sign up, and link your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial accounts to it for seamless tracking. Connect your accounts. The app will securely connect your financial accounts to monitor your transactions. You can link accounts from various banks, credit unions, and financial institutions. Track spending. PocketGuard automatically categorizes your transactions. This helps you see where your money is going each month. You can also manually categorize transactions if needed. Use the In My Pocket feature. The In My Pocket feature shows how much money you can safely spend without affecting your bills or savings goals. It takes into account your monthly budget, bills, and savings goals. Set savings goals. Set up personalized savings goals for things like vacations, emergencies, or large purchases. PocketGuard helps you stay on track by suggesting how much you can save. Monitor and adjust. Regularly check your spending and adjust your budget and goals based on your financial habits to stay in control of your money.